poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No. Way of doing it.
I probably broke your heart the moment we met. Don't you understand the way I move is not a flex? It's how I move, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Francine Hughley, and I'm back at it with another video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing just an easy T-part closure wig install, and this unit is from Hairsmarket. Today's video is obviously in collaboration with Hairsmarket, and here's the packaging, pretty girly pink packaging, and it came with eyelashes, the hair manual, and also a wig cap. Alright guys, so this is how the unit is looking. So this is Hairsmarket's 13x6 deep wave 24-inch T-part closure unit. Girl, that was a mouthful. Yeah, so it's basically in a deep wave pattern. And like I said, this is a T-part closure unit. So it's not much lace to work with. You only going to have the option to part it down the middle, and the perimeter of the unit is pretty full, and it has like limited lace, so it's not too much you can do with it, but we're gonna do what it do. All right guys, so it has two combs on the side, and it also has a comb at the back of the nape, and it also has adjustable straps as well. So if you guys got a small head like me, you can adjust it to your liking. Alright guys, so this is what the part is looking like. I would suggest going to bleach the knots. I did not bleach the knots. I am going to put some powder in there, but I do suggest going in and bleaching the knots if you guys, if you want to. Alright, right here, I went ahead and cut off the lace. As you can tell, like I was saying, the perimeter of the lace, the perimeter of the hairline on the lace is pretty full. And you cannot really pluck this unit at all, because like I said, this is a closure unit. You may can get away with like a little bit, but you can't really do too much because you will mess up this closure. All right guys, so I went in with my wax sticks, and now I am just hot combing my part just to, so the unit can lay a little bit more flat. All right, now so I went in with my got to be Insta Hole spray. I lost my train of thought for a minute. And I'm just going to lay this unit down with the spray. And for some reasons, I was having a really hard time with the sides laying down. They would not stay down for the life of me. I don't know if it was me. I don't know if I cut off too much lace. Girl, I don't know what I was doing, but they would not really lay down. But I made it work. All right, right here, guys. So I just went in and I'm basically just trying to whiten up the part. Just pulling out some strands of the unit. And then I went in with some powder just to make it look, more natural. And me right here again trying to lay down those sides, because like I said, I was having trouble, but I made it work in the end. And I started to create some baby hairs off. I realized that my camera wasn't recording, y'all, when I was trying to make the baby hairs, so then I had to go back and recreate what I was doing. So that's why you can see like the baby hairs already out, but this unit did not come with baby hairs. And right here, I'm just laying my baby hairs with my Argan oil mousse.
So I stay to myself. Yeah, I stay to myself. I do it for my mental health. Don't know what else to do. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine.
All right, right here, so I am about to start defining the curls. Now I define the first thing that I use to define the curls with is basically just some water and conditioner concoction that I mixed up, and I'm using that to define the curls. The hair was super soft, y'all. The curls defined very easily, and I only got like a few strains of shedding. It was not a lot of shedding at all, but the hair was super duper pretty with just the conditioner and the water. But of course I took it a step further and I used some argan oil mousse as well, and that just defined the curls even more. Super duper pretty. Like, the hair is beautiful.
It's how I move, baby girl, I take steps. Tiptoe. It's how you know. Take my time. Everything's fine on my side. Everything's fine. Everything's fine on my side. You don't gotta worry, I'll be fine. Look at all the space. I've been out of space. I can tell that you.
That's about the end of the video, y'all. I just want to say I really do love this hair. This hair was super duper pretty, definitely easy to manage. It defined beautifully, and yeah, I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. But that is it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm sending everybody love and light. Until next time, peace.
Do it again. Oh, no, no. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a Gotti. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.